Are you looking for a simple way to import your Outlook MSG files into your Hotmail or Outlook.com account? Welcome to WholeClear MSG to Hotmail Converter, a smart solution to seamlessly export MSG files directly into your Hotmail account without any data loss. Key features of MSG to Outlook.com Converter Tool. Complete migration. Transfer entire MSG data without loss. Preserve meta properties. Maintain email attributes like to, from, CC, BCC, date, etc. Batch mode transfer. Export multiple MSG files at once for faster conversion. Compatible with all Outlook versions. Works with every edition of Microsoft Outlook. How to import Outlook MSG files into Hotmail, Outlook.com. Step 1. Install and launch WholeClear MSG to Hotmail Converter. Step 2. Choose MSG file format as your mail source. Step 3. Select file or folder mode and load MSG files into the software panel. Step 4. Choose Export to Hotmail account and click Next. Step 5. Enter your Hotmail account username and password to establish the connection. Step 6. Choose or create a destination folder in your Hotmail account. Step 7. Click on Upload now to begin the import process. These simple steps enable quick and smooth migration of MSG files to Hotmail. The tool ensures a hassle-free process for all users. Each Hotmail account can be imported individually using this software. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.